welcome to this new tutorial video here, and I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not showing up on your Windows 10. If this icon is not showing up on your PC, this is the video for you. I'm going to give you 3 methods how to fix it. So first method is go to the search option here, and here type services and go there, and after that just scroll all the way down, and you can see this WLAN auto config. Select it and double click it to open, and make sure that this is selected automatic, and after that just select start and apply, and then click OK, and see this sign is appeared on your PC or not. If this solves your problem, then you don't have to try any other methods. If this doesn't work, the second method is right click on your start option here and go to device manager, and here expand the network adapter option, and here this is the driver for your wireless connection. Select it, right click it and select update driver, and select search automatically for drivers, and it will automatically update your driver, and after that see if the problem is solved or not. And if this doesn't work, the another method is just expand the network adapter again, and just right click the wireless driver and just uninstall the driver. After uninstalling it, all you have to do is just click this scan for hardware changes, and it will reinstall your driver and your problem will be fixed. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next one.